and welcome to our channel Quality Zone Infotech. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure to give it a like. Today's video is all about Google My Business. Now, what is Google My Business? In an effort to gain more visibility on Google, many businesses create a Google business listing, which is officially known as business profile. If you're one such business owner, something you might not realize is that creating a business profile does not give you management over it. And you need those management and editing capabilities if you want your business profile to work for you as an effective SEO and lead generation tool. Google My Business is a tool that enables you to manage and optimize your business profile on Google. So, to explain what Google My Business is and how it works, let's move forward. Now, your business profile is Google's term for your Google business listing. Business profiles appear in the Google Maps and in the local results of the Google search. Now, what are 5 benefits of Google My Business? First one is GMB allows you to appear in Maps and Google Local Pack listing. Notice the highly visible map of the list of business names, and that appears right on the top of the page whenever you search for the places on Google's. That's called the Google Local Pack, and there are 2 reasons why you should pay attention to it. First, it's highly visible. The Google Local Pack takes up huge real estate on page 1 Google search results, and it's the first thing any Google user will see after they type in their query. Second is it enables users to see the information they need at a glance. The Google Local Pack is a search engine result page, that is SERP, which displays the places related to your search. It also includes a bunch of other relevant information that any potential customers might want to access to. Where it's located on the map, the business contact number in case potential customers have additional questions or want to make a quick reservation, store hours, or even establishment stars rating. It's a convenient features for both the business and customers. Now, the third benefit is it allows people to leave reviews on your business. One must never underestimate the power of customer reviews, especially when it comes to search ranking. Another study by the Moz showed that the online reviews are thought to make up 10% of how search engine rank results work. Thus, if you want your business to be visible in the search results, using the GMB to make it easy for your customers to leave positive feedback about your business is a must. Now, next benefit is it provides insights that gives you helpful information. GMB is a value driver for your Google ranking. It not only promotes your product or service, it also helps you to understand the market Google is constantly providing and proving that it runs the show. But how is this possible? Google My Business comes with powerful features that provides insights on important areas to assist you in creating strategies and in making decisions. This tool enables you to access statistics and insights that can help determine where your audience is coming from. Now, the 5th benefit is it's free and easy to use. No matter how helpful a product is, its potential won't be maximized if it's overly costly, impractical, or difficult to use. Fortunately, that's not the case when it comes to Google My Business. This is an efficient tool which is free and easy to use. So, even any business can utilize it to promote their business or service. Creating and verifying your profile can be done in a matter of hours. In fact, there are some tools that can get you a ready-made profile. Also, you can get instantly verified, and once that's done, you are ready to rock the page of the Google. Plus, Google's tools helps you to analyze performances so you can find the ways to improve your business ranking. Now, let's move forward and know how Google Business helps you to attract the local clients and customers. Now the first thing is get discovered in Google or Google Maps. Whether you are looking for foot traffic or web traffic, Google is ultimate search referrer. A Google business profile helps to ensure the people find your business when looking for products and services like yours in their local area. Your Google My Business listing shows searchers where and how to visit your business. A Google business profile also improves your local SEO. In particular, a listing for a local business is more likely to appear when the people search for a nearby business using Google Maps. If you want to know how to do this all stuff, you can check out the link below in the description box. We at the Quality Zone Infotech will make sure what your business wants. Please don't forget to follow us on our other social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.